Hey guys, what's up? So I forgot to make an intro for this video, so I'm doing that now. Yeah, I do a leg workout after my other one, and going back to deadlifts and squats. So yeah, trying to focus on my glute activation because I think it's helping. My back pain has been going away. Usually I feel it when I'm sitting down because I work at a desk job, which isn't good for ergonomics at all. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this leg workout, and yeah, you'll see the pump after. Yeah. What up, guys? I'm just here sitting eating dinner. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. I really enjoy making these videos. I liked making videos back then too, but I just never had the commitment, and I think I was doing it for the wrong reasons. Obviously, trying to make money quick and trying to pop off in YouTube, but I don't think that was the right move, because when it got rough, or I had no more ideas, or I wasn't creative enough, I just ended up falling off, you know. And now I'm just doing it for fun, just recording what I like doing, which is working out. And you know, hope you guys enjoy this journey I'm on. Really journey of enlightenment, and really trying to understand myself and doing things I love and enjoy, just cause, you know, if I pop off, I pop off. If I don't, you know, I'm still working out, I'm still healthy, still got a great family that I love so much. And you know, gotta keep the peace, keep the mind right, keep the body right, and keep on working, keep on moving forward. And yeah, I hope you guys, I don't know what else to say. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for sticking through it and going through my content. Hopefully, I'm getting better at talking to the camera, but hopefully I can get even better, because I'm not there yet. I'm not at my cap. I'm not at my full potential. My power level isn't over 9,000 yet. But we'll get there. We'll get there together. Let's go. Let's go. That's all. Peace out. A-Town.
Peace up, A-Town.
Alright, peace.
I like your taste in tunes and everything you ooze. The tempo of your beat, you bleed a melody. No one can control that old time rock and roll. No rule of gravity. And hey, can I follow you back to your room, watching you bloom in the light of the moon? Can I follow you back to your arms, wash it all off in the river of your heart? There's a million different songs that I learned to sing, watching you bloom in the light of the moon. Your loneliness will never be lost on me, so reach out and love, and don't be a stranger.
Welcome back to the house, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that leg workout. I did the deadlifts. Make sure I focus on squeezing my glutes. I still pause a little bit at the beginning, just so I can get that first initial activation of where to feel the movement in the posterior chain. But yeah, so I did 225 belt lifts, which felt good. I couldn't do that belt list before, like in the other video you saw me how to use a belt, but that went smoothly, and I like the way that it looked on camera, on video. So my form is looking better. And then I probably jumped up too high, jumped the gun, and added 15s on each side, so that I bumped that up to 255. And 255 belt list didn't feel too good. I was shaky, wobbly, so that wasn't, so I definitely jumped the gun on that. It didn't feel very well. It didn't look good on camera. I put a belt on, but still wasn't great. Wasn't strict and wasn't clean at all. So gotta jump back, move it slowly. I think I let my ego get the best of me, so I gotta work on keeping my patience and moving slowly on that. But everything's getting better. Glutes, activating glutes, getting strong. I actually do some glute drives. My gym just got the machine, so that's kind of a plus right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the workout. Keep on working, keep on dreaming, because if you can dream it, you can do it. Persevere, and you'll see the beauty behind all the hard work of climbing mountains, Drop a comment below if you dig this video, and like, share with your friends. Road to 100 subscribers. Let's go. We can do it. Peace out.